Deep lead search based on email service provider. Track leads based on which email service provider do they use. Are they using Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Hotmail or others? Email. Find out instantly and leverage to provide your appropriate services. Ad type and analytics filter for lead generation. Ad status. You can now find out if your potential lead is running ads along with the kind of ad they are running. The ad medium identification is done for you across platforms Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, AdWords. Based on their brand needs and preferences, you can reach out to them with ready-to-use ads. Ad pixels. Find out the extent of brand involvement in ad generation. With Client Finda, you can find out if the business has either Google or Facebook pixel installed on their website. If yes, then reach out to them instantly with your ad management services, because they'd be readily interested. Google Analytics. Instantly understand if your lead is using Google Analytics to track and grow their brand on their website. Jump in and save the day by helping them understand the insights better. LinkedIn Analytics. Find out if the lead in question is using LinkedIn Analytics so that you help them bridge the gap of understanding and enhancing their brand activity on the platform. Review-based target identification. Google reviews. Find out about the brand popularity by instantly accessing their Google stars and reviews. Give solutions to make their Google reviews and ratings better. Yelp reviews. Understand how many reviews has the brand received on Yelp and what is its rating to enhance it further. Facebook reviews. Check out the Facebook stars and reviews received by the business to provide your services accordingly. Criteria-specific lead provision. Mobile optimization. Find out if the lead's website is mobile-friendly. Well, if it is not, here's good news. You can help them target mobile traffic and charge $4,000 for a job that'll cost you $100. Keep the entire profit margin in your pocket. Schema markup. Know about all the websites that don't use schema markup to provide them your services for the top dollar. Google rank. How well does the business rank on Google? Does the website use optimization effectively? If not, here's your chance to dive in and charge them a lofty monthly fee for search engine optimization. GMB Status. Find out if your lead has Google My Business location enabled. If not, help them claim their location by selling your specialized services to them. Their location. Identify where the business is located right from the country, state and city down to the street with the help of zip code search. Next, general automated technology. The smart interface provides optimal lead searches based on 3 next general technologies: artificial intelligence, natural language processing and machine. Here's to effortless skyrocketing client conversions. Tested by beta users. Client Finda has been tried and tested to provide amazing results by independent beta users. The lead generation mechanism has left them spellbound and their sales rising through the roof. Easy training. While this software has been designed to help even newbies, we also provide training videos to help ease your way around this incredible tool. Automatic updates. We push automatic upgrades to help you ace your game at all times without any extra effort. 100% hosted on the cloud. Client Finda is hosted on reliable cloud servers. You will never have to worry about downloading or installing anything. Simply access via any web browser from across devices. Round-the-clock assistance. You can reach out to our team of technical geniuses to solve any queries and issues that you may have instantly, regardless of the time. Commercial rights included. Sell laser-targeted leads to businesses across niches and make big fat commissions without any hassles. Customers across the globe have already begun making huge profits by selling highly converting leads. Commercial license included only. When you act now, get Client Finda for a one-time payment. window. Level up your lead generation game with our exclusive limited period bonuses. Exclusive bonus #1. Free commercial license. During this launch special offer, Client Finda comes with full commercial rights without upgrading to Pro. Exclusive bonus #2. No pitch lead generation agency accelerator training program. How do you turn this opportunity into a true and sustainable agency business, and not a case of one client today and another client in 3 months' time? Exclusive bonus #3. Exclusive access to the Ifiok Nkem's private Skype mentorship coaching for 365 days. Get instant access to my private mentorship program that gives you free membership access to my exclusive Skype group, where I will be closely coaching just a few students for the next 365 days. Exclusive bonus #4. Unlimited access to our webinar replay vault. Also, once you take action on this page right now, you get free unlimited access to our exclusive webinar replay vault. Each of these webinars normally costs a registration fee of $497 per attendant, but when you jump on the Client Finda offer today, you get instant access to our replay vault. Exclusive bonus #5. Ifiok Nkem's bi-weekly coaching class. Twice every week, my team and I go on a special training session with selected members of our community. Exclusive bonus #6. One-on-one live Zoom coaching and consultation call. Book a free 15 minutes one-on-one customer success session with us. Commercial license included only. When you act now, get Client Finda for a one-time payment. You are one step away from setting up your own targeted lead selling agency. Exclusive limited period commercial license included. 30-day money-back guarantee. Client Finda is available to you at the best price it will ever be offered at. You can generate unlimited niche-specific leads and earn the top dollar from the minute you hit buy now. You've got a whole month to discover just how badly every business needs your service and catch a glimpse of how much money you can make. But just in case lead generation isn't your cup of tea, we'll understand. You can simply write to us within 30 days of your purchase to get a full refund instantly. There is no risk involved, we promise. Client Finda gets you the leads and profits that you need to succeed. A raw grab now at the lowest cost ever. Logo. Find highly targeted leads. Find targeted leads based on websites and domains, social media activity, email service provider, social media reviews, ads and marketing, location, mobile optimization, GMB status, schema markup. 100% cloud-based, nothing to download. Works for any type of niche. Ultra-fast servers speed. Beautiful and user-friendly dashboard. Crucial stats. Massive boost in conversions and profits. Commercial rights included. Today only, one-time fee. $47 few spots left. Price will be $67 soon. Use coupon ClientVIP for $2 off. Client Finda.